Ghost in my own house, a prayer on repeat. The silence was a language I learned to speak. Then your shadow fell across the hardwood floor, a quiet knock on a long closed door. You traced the silver in my hair with your thumb, melt the years till my frozen spirit's gone. You whisper, let the whole world disappear. Oh, they call it a scandal, I call it a song written on my body, safe in your arms. They see the ruin, we feel the grace. Found my true religion in this sacred place. Oh, in this place, baby, I was a story they'd already read. Words in my heart I thought were dead. You found the page, blew off the dust. So let the raccoons